हे एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। मेरा नाम है विष्णु और आप सभी का मेरे चैनल पर स्वागत है। सो दिस वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड इन्फॉर्मेटिव बिकॉज इन दिस वीडियो आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट अ कॉमन प्रॉब्लम दैट एवरी न्यू बिगिनर्स हु वांट टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, हु वांट टू improve English speaking, he faces that common problem when you are speaking English. Okay, then that word comes into your mind, but you cannot translate it and speak out from your mouth. So this is the common problem. So in this video I am going to share about this problem, like 5 tips that you can follow it and practically and just improve your English. So tip number 1, read the books, because by reading the books you can get to learn a new words. Like you can learn like many new words which can be used at the speaking time. So you have to read the books. You can read like self-development books, any stories which interests you, because if you will read academic books then you will be just get bored, and if you will like read the self-development books, any self-development books, that will gain your more interest. You will be self-developed and you will learn English too. You will be learning so many new words by reading the books. Second tip is watching the videos. You can watch the videos, podcast, any movie which are in English, so that you can learn the new words they are using and you can use it too. Because by watching, by listening, you can adapt it very fastly. Okay, so you have to watch the videos, watch the podcast, watch the film, movie which are in English to improve your English speaking. Third number, make a right group of people and speak it, because if you don't have the confidence to speak in front of your friends, you will not speak it any other people. Okay, so take 2 or 3 groups of friends and just try to speak it out, because until you try to speak it out you cannot improve your English speaking. So make a 2-3 group friends and get a topic and just talk about anything. Just talk about, because it will increase translation from your mind and just speak it out from your mouth. And it will improve your English speaking. It will improve your translation speed from your mind to the mouth. If you have friend, you can follow this step. But if you don't have any right friends group, you can just take out your phone's camera and you have to introduce about yourself, about any topics, just like by seeing in the camera, and just you have to speak it out, because it will boost your confidence and you can do your practice too. So that is also the better way to improve your English. Fourth tip is be consistent, because until you do it consistently then you cannot improve it. Because just by watching these videos, by watching hundreds and thousands of videos on YouTube and just not applying it in your like practical life, in your daily life, and you will not apply like consistently day by day, daily, so you will not going to improve. So be consistent and make a routine, like 1 hour you will do these steps, 1 hour you will follow these tips. So you have to be consistent, otherwise you cannot improve your English speaking. Because when I was a beginner, I just reading the books, watching the videos and just trying to speak it out in front of a camera. That's why I have improved my English so much just in 30 days. So it is the better way that you can also, if I can, you can also improve your English speaking. Fifth tip is, just after watching this video, just subscribe it, just like it, and then stop watching any other videos. Just follow the tips which I've given you in this video. Just follow this tip. Watch the videos which are in podcast. Read the books. Don't watch any other videos, because until you just by watching you cannot improve your English. You can improve your English just by speaking it out. Like take an example, if you want to learn swimming, you cannot learn swimming just by watching the videos. You can learn the swimming by getting into the shallow water and practicing it daily. Then only you can improve it. So after watching this video, just like it, subscribe it, and like write a good comment and just go and practice it. Thank you everybody. if you have watched this video like till the end, thank you.